one. But before Gilly, we will have the Sonipat Spartans, a real interesting factor, as we will talk more about that. And welcome Harsh Kumar Deshwal will start the proceedings off after the go-ahead. First raid coming in from the Kurukshetra Warriors as the Sonipat Spartans won the toss. And the first raid, I think he's got a point, because Rohit Nandal has anti-cross. It's the big beginning for Harsh Kumar.
1 point.
Yeah, raider safe because Rohit Nandal was anti-crossing there.
Raider safe. 1 point. Sonipat Spartans. Number 5 out.
Exactly. Harsha definitely not reached the midline, but the anti-cross from the defense, that's a Rohit, that helped the team get a point here. Maybe if you would have not anti-crossed, would the Raider got more points than
Going and anti-crossing, kind of saving the defense somehow.
That's Harsh Kumar for us for Sonipat Spartans. Yes, this is the lad who got those amazing moments yesterday, but then he's
1
been
point.
napped today
Kurukshetra
by the
Warriors.
left cover. Brilliant tackle that is.
Yeah,
There are
local
a lot of
tournament.
local tournaments in Haryana, so that helps.
Yeah, very much.
And especially when you talk about having no parents, Deepak Nivasuda is a similar story, Naveen. But at least this guy had some support of Ravindra Nada, but Deepak did not have any. He was working part time. So a lot of
1
stories
point.
behind
Sonipat
for these
Spartans.
young lads.
But the style of play is completely different compared to the Aryans and the Dravidian part of the country.
Absolutely. When the Dravidian part where we have most of the southern states and Maharashtra, everything included, I think it's more of a technical game again. For the northern part, it's always like a physical game because they. And this is a one physical attack, a good one. The ankle hold was so strong from Karambir, that too. A Raider, good strong hold there. Yeah, I think they play a lot of strength game here. But then I still like the way the Maharashtrian plays, the Tamil Nadu and the Karnataka.
Very good work. Very good work from Rumanand Hospitals. Thank you guys once again for being our medical partners. As Akshay Ari goes into a raid. Oh, come on, Rohit. I was talking about your ankle holds and what was this hand hold coming in. And yeah, you speak of different
1 point.
territories.
Sonipat
This hand hold.
Plays. And yeah, it's a nice super tackle opportunity. They're just giving it off, Naveen. And this is where I think the game is turning into Sonipat's swing.
Yeah, because again, Praveen Narwal was also
Raider out.
a defender.
Bonus point.
He's a left corner defender generally. Just came in for that very soon on the all-out.
1 plus 2, 3 points.
Again,
Sonipat Spartans.
Radhika, if you really look at what Kurukshetra Warriors are
Kurukshetra
facing
Warriors.
as a big problem, in and attempting on everything, attempt the bonus and everything. Karambir Thakur comes in. So speak of that local tournaments. No, this I have seen happening in cricket. Oh, well, this is a 2-pointer raid. He's also asking for a bonus. Yes, he's got it. Bonus +2. It's a super raid from Karambir Thakur. Brilliant work.
52 and 54
We'll
out.
see this and then come back to the local tournament story.
There's a first super raid by Kshetra Warriors here. Nice running bonus attempt, and the in-player misses on the ankle hold. The cover misses the timing, and this is India 180.
Against Akshay Ari. Big error. First error from Akshay Ari. Maybe. And he just lost his footing a little. Slipped down. Sunny Yadav. When... oh, I think again. No, wait. That's Raider out of bound.
Raider out.
Or
1
did he
point.
get a touch?
Sonipat
The
Spartans.
signal was Raider out. But Radhika, yeah, he
Back
got
to
a
the
touch on
lobby.
Rahul Ahri on that left corner. And then the dash was there.
Okay,
I
then
think- yeah.
yeah.
So the point is for the defender. I'm trying to get some points for the defenders here, but here Rohit Nandal and Praveen Narwal. Harsh Kumar once again has been nabbed in. And this is definitely a big is my trip super tackle. That involved a lot of strength, a lot of might.
Raider tackle.
Rohit Nandal
2
gets it.
points.
I think the
Kurukshetra
second
Warriors.
time in the super tackle. And Harsh Kumar. This is what life and kabaddi is all about, isn't it?
Absolutely. Nice dive tackle. He locks both the ankles, Naveen. The lower body is strongly taken care of, and the support the defender section. India 180M star movement, of course, this is, and that should be easy.
Me and you, Radhika, me and you.
No, in the team, in the team.
In the team, oh, oh well. Yeah, website going in, checking. Yeah, of course. Super tackle again, is it? Yes, it is. Again, Praveen Narwal.
Out.
Is my trip super tackle. How many have they got today? Is the Kurukshetra Warriors. They've done pretty well. In the
I think
defense
just
of 2
two
and
for
3.
them and one for Sonipat, I guess, Naveen. And of course,
Red.
brilliant ankle hold in the
Do or
air.
die.
He nabbed the ankle there, and the rest of the team.
When Ankit Rana is on, Ankit Sorawa actually plays like a third raider, not even a second raider. Does not go in too much, doesn't go into the space. And hold, has he been pushed off? No, he should have. Oh yes, he has. Oh yes, he has.
Raider.
And also, hang on.
Raider.
This is what? This is what? Like,
Will this be the fourth super tackle for Kurukshetra Warriors, Naveen?
no, I'll
Let's
tell you
see.
what. The umpire gave a signal as
Raider
raider
out.
out.
Super
It's a
tackle.
super tackle.
2 points.
Yeah, fourth one.
Kurukshetra
Fourth
Warriors.
one. I was thinking Sachin just pushed him towards the midline rather than pushing him outside the line. Watch this. It's very interesting, Radhika. See how he pushes him. First handhold. Then you see. Didn't he guide him
that's
towards the midline? And Sunny Yadav is searching his name on the wall, standing on the mat. He's treated every day from them because he's got a little, a little infection on near the ear. And they also treat the umpires as we've
Like,
begun.
That's good, no?
Yeah. What was that from Rohit Narwal?
Raider safe. 1 point. Sonipat Spartans. Number
Oh,
13
again, this block where there is a lot of gap.
Yeah. Lot of gap
Raider
and
out.
also no
1
confidence.
point. Sonipat
Yeah,
Spartans.
because Ankit Sorawa
Raider
gets
safe.
another
1
point
plus 2, 3
as he's
points.
coming from the bench.
Sonipat
Now,
Spartans.
will that
All
point
out
count in for the
Kurukshetra
Raiders?
Warriors.
All right. So much
But then
Raider
what
friendly,
if
no?
there is a wrist hold or whatever happens? You sometimes get to witness
safe.
Yeah.
that, one-on-one
Kurukshetra
where the
Warriors.
defense also win. Very rare, but
Number
sometimes it
15
do.
and 6 out.
I am yet to see that. And Harsh. Now see, when you don't have the confidence in raiding, you need to do something to contribute to the team, and you make such a big blunder. And you also have taken Kapil Azad alongside with him in the right cover. And it's
Do
going to
or
be hard.
die.
So the only is where the competition is between the Cubs and the Warriors KC in Pool A.
Yeah.
Who's going to be on the top? That is what they are fighting for. And from March 30th, we have that best of 3 for the place in the finals. Harsh turns, tumbles, nothing. Yeah, today. Yeah, guys.
Raider out.
It's fine. Rohit Narwal.
1 point.
It's okay.
Kurukshetra Warriors.
No, after the fish getting caught in the net, you want to just. We are talking about that number. Where Ankit Sorawa, how much has he got in when he starts with Ankit Rana comparatively? That's a bit of a tough ask for the team, maybe.
Raider out.
Ankit
1
Iyer
point.
This was
goes
an
back.
one easy
Sonipat
one.
Spartans.
1 versus 4.
Yeah.
And Raider completely blanked off there. Look at that. He just
Substitution.
goes,
Kurukshetra Warriors.
he just wants to
5
fly for no
20.
reason.
It's to Akshay Ahari today. Wonderful. He's done well. How many rate points has he garnered? His numbers will come in next to his name. Brilliant day that he's gotten on this Tuesday morning. Yeah, because those rate point numbers are so correct. Again, now that right corner, Rohit Narwal adds on
Raider safe.
another misery there for the
1 point.
Kurukshetra Warriors.
Sonipat Spartans. Number 13 out.
I think
And Praveen Narwal says you can enjoy your Super 10 on the bench, my friend. Go back.
Kurukshetra Warriors.
Village name is so important. And
And
That-
again, super tackle opportunity, Naveen. Will they convert it? No.
Praveen Narwal.
Ankit Sharma goes back to
Raider
with
safe.
a point
1
again.
point.
Again,
Sonipat
they are on the
Spartans.
verge of an.
I will again go in for that solitary last raid. Cannot expect too much from him on the touch point, but at least a bonus. Rahul Ahri, of course, on 9 tackle points. Gets his 10th. Perfect 10 again.
Raider out. Bonus
After Nitin Jangra,
Warriors.
after
1
Ramandeep
plus 2.
Kaur, these Super 10s, consecutive Super 10s, and Shivam Chaudhary getting that Super 10 and all that for Yuva Yodas, it's all correct. But there is that one sacrificer in a team, isn't it? Like Sushil Kambrekar for the Warriors. This is not a sacrifice. This is Praveen Narwal,
Redder out.
in a suicidal
1
one.
point.
That's it. So
Sonipat
that do or die
Spartans.
raid, you need one. Sachin makes a kicks it over, run across, and Sachin bangs on one on his head.
Spartans
And he
all
goes
out.
away with a smile.
Kurukshetra Warriors.
Again, how many all-outs in this match, Naveen? Maybe three
Yeah.
or more. I think at least a three we have seen. This is what one-on-one. It's like a little touch and touch game there.
Touch me not. We can get that per match numbers. Rahul Lahiri has
Yeah.
Redder save. Bonus.
bonus plus
1
one.
point.
Karambir Thakur.
Kurukshetra Warriors. Number 33 out.
Will he cross over?
Yeah,
13 tackle points.
Yeah, he-
Because he's not going to go out there and sacrifice something. Rahul Lahiri will probably have to wait. Because
no, left raider came in, so he will have to wait. As you
Yeah.
said, maybe he'll just cross the block line.
oh,
But that, no, he given
Redder
away.
save.
But
Yeah.
then they officially
Kurukshetra Warriors.
qualify as
Number
the
12 out.
second team in
yes,
Pool B
True.
for the second round.
Very true. Along with the Yuva they get their berth confirmed for March 30th. So they can just go
over.
back and enjoy this moment. And Radhika, I'll try and get
Raider, 14 raid points, who is the star raider.